What's going on? Welcome back, guys. This is a quick one. You might hear some cleaning in the background. Just ignore that. I share this space. You know, I'm not filthy rich just yet. Good news. I did find, well, not really, but okay. I did take a screenshot of that Kakashi SWAT design that I did. So I was like, well, I want to put up something on Monday because, you know, I'm trying to do like 3 days, if not at least 1 day a week, put out a video. So I was like, well, I don't have it done just yet. I just have the sketch. But I was like, it looks pretty cool. So I was like, well, let me just throw it out to the people and, you know, see what they think. So here is my Kakashi SWAT design, because I didn't want to just, you know, copy the exact, you know, way he looks or whatever. He looks like a SWAT guy, you know, with the gear that he has on. So I just adapted, you know, his attire and made it more like kind of like a SWAT or undercover agent getting ready to bust somebody, you know. So got a lot of pockets, got a lot of gear, blah blah blah. I was thinking about turning into a black guy. May still possibly do that, but you know, we'll see how it turns out. But enjoy the design. I'm working hard getting the other stuff out, Froggy showed, and also like little world girls and all that stuff, you know, the Kakashi thing. I'm working on that, so I'm working on several different things, so trying to get it out to you guys because you seem to like this stuff. So I'm still going to do like some head, shoulder, knees and toes, feet, hands, whatever drawings, maybe like every Wednesday or something like that. So just stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for all my subscribers. Like, so you can, this thing can spread across the world. And I apologize for not introducing. I am BrianFBroxton. This is Frank Brock Art, your safe space to draw, design, talk about nerdy stuff like, you know, Ant-Man and the Wasp in the quantum realm, which was pretty cool in my opinion. No spoilers, but it was cool. A little in the middle, it got a little bit long, you know, about to doze a little bit, but you know, it picked up towards the end, so I rather enjoyed it. So yeah, that's my nerdy part for today. So yeah, just enjoy the design. I got more stuff, some final type looking work done, you know, with the ink and, you know, well, not ink, but the line work completed, some color, it's on the way. I always say that, but it does come eventually. So thank you guys for tuning in again. This is like a little quick something I just want to throw out to you guys. I will finish it a little bit later on, but here you go. Peace out, guys. Thank you, and enjoy the show.